This might be Demigra's last form. We saw him change shape in the Ultra God mission, and this might be his last one. I thought his second form was amazing. Here's his Batara earring. Anyway, here's the core in his chest. Let me just erase that. I feel like this transformation is known as Dark Lord, even though its real name is Demigra. I really don't understand it. Demigra was a good guy. Demigra is a good guy in the Big Bang mission. Why would he want to take down Eos, even though he was on Goku's side? He just saved the entire Big Bang mission. Goku stopped Fu if it wasn't for him. I really just don't understand it. What do you guys think? I hope Demigra comes back. And when he does, I hope he becomes a good guy. Besides, Demigra was born good, and he'll be destined to be good. I hope he comes back. I mean, Hearts came back, and he was a good guy too. He still is. He even joins the Big Bang Mission guys. Demigra should be that too. He even joined in the Ultra God tournament alongside Cumber. There we go. There we are. There we are. Are. There he is. I don't know why he has Pataras on his arms anyway. Why does he even need them? I mean, he's already fused with Zamasu, as I've shown in one of my episodes. I guess it's a demon thing. I mean, they always wear a lot of random and amazing stuff. You saw Devilman. I bet this guy should join forces with him. What do you guys think? I think it's a good idea. I give it a 5-star review. Demigra has always been one of my favorites, and I think he should join in the next episode of Super Dragon Ball Heroes. He should come back and be good, like he always had. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm pleased you guys got to enjoy me drawing Demigra in his Dark Lord form. And please post a comment on what new Super Dragon Ball Heroes fighter you want me to draw next. Hopefully Demigra will be coming back as a good guy. Oh, and by the way, my buddy Ty drew this. Pokemon GX the movie. I bet that's going to be a real thing. I hope it does. Anyway, I'm proud you guys got to see me enjoy this. And I got to see you guys draw this. And I promise there will be more Super Dragon Ball related stuff as soon as they come up with more fighters. Anyway, that's all for now. Good night.